Welcome back, boys and girls. Today we are going to be multiplying two-digit number times a one-digit number. Get your notes ready and your pencils and we shall begin. In a multiplication problem, the numbers being multiplied are called factors. The answer is called the product. So sometimes you might see it written asking for the product. You know that you have to multiply to get a product. The two numbers that you multiply together, again, are the factors. An array arranges objects in rows and columns. It can help you visualize the problem. So you can see I have lions here and I have an array because I have rows going across, 1, 2, 3, 4 rows going across, and columns going down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have my rows and my columns in. And I know that 4 times 6 equals 24. Now I could count 4 times 6. I could count every one of these little lions, but that would take a long time. So if I know those, memorize those basic multiplication facts, it will make it so much easier. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, if you notice, we will have some more arrays. These are flowers at the top, sunflowers. And we notice that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. So we would write down 5 times our columns going up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 columns. Now if we know our basic facts, we know 5 times 8 would equal 40. Also, we have an array down here at the bottom of some beach balls. I think that's beach balls. Looks like beach balls. It looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4 rows times, let's count the number going across for our columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 4 times 12 is 48. So our two factors would for the first one be 5 and 8, and our product is 40. For the bottom one, my factors are 4 and 12, and my 48. All right, let's keep going. Here we see some multiplication problems, but we don't have the arrays. So sometimes we're going to have to be able to figure out the multiplication problem without using the array. The arrays are nice to visualize, but sometimes our numbers are going to get so large that we will not want to do that. Now there's a couple ways we can work these. One thing we can do is actually take these numbers and break them apart. So I'm going to break apart my 74 into a 70 and a 4, because I know that if I take 70 plus 4, I will get 74. And I'm going to multiply 70 times 4 and 4 times 4. We know 4 times 4 is 16. Very good. We know 70 times 4. Well, let's do 7 times 4, which was 28, and let's just add our 0 in there for our tens place. So 28 with a 0 makes 280. Then we add these two back together. I'm going to stack them. In my ones place, I have a 0 and a 6, which gives me a 6. 8 plus 1 in my tens place gives me 90. 200 plus nothing is 200. So my final answer is 296. That is the break apart method. Let's do that one more time. Let's take the 22 and break it apart. 22 times, what do we have on the bottom? Factor of 5. 5. We know 2 times 5 is 10. 20 times 5 would just be 2 times 5, which was 10, and then add that 0 to put it in the tens place, so which makes it be 100. When I add these two together, I come up with 110. So that is the break apart method. There's also a method where we can just take the ones place, 7 times 7, which gives me 49, and then 7 times 60. That's not just a 6, that's a 60. Now you can think, what is 7 times 6? 42, very good, but we have to put a 0 to put it in the tens place. We have to put the 0 on the end of it. So 42 with a 0. Add those two together. 9 plus 0 is 9. 4 plus 2 is 6. 400 plus nothing is 400. So my final answer would be 469. Okay, let's do that one more time. Let's do 9 times 4. What is that? 36. Very good. You can write it down over here. 2 times 9, but that's actually a 20, so 20 times 9. 2 times 9 is 18 with a 0. 18 with a 0, 180. Add those two together. 6, 8 plus 3, 11. Carry your 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 216. 216. Now, you can also do them like this, where you don't have to break them apart or pull them over to the side. You can just do it all right here together. All you do is multiply 6 times 0, your 1 times your 1. What is 6 times 0? Very good, 0. And then 6 times your tens place, which is 6 times 1 again, which is 6. Okay, very good. Let's try one more like that. Do your ones place. 4 times 3, 12. Remember, carry your 1. 2 at the bottom, and then do 3 times 1, which is 3, plus 1, which is 4. So my answer would be 42. Now you pick which way you would like to work these, and you're going to do some on your own, and then you're going to check them. You're doing a great job. If you need to go back and watch the video again, don't feel hesitant to do that. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye.